Hey everybody, it's Miss Cuellar here. It is Friday, March 27th, so let's see what we have on hand today for math. So I've already gone into ClassLink and clicked on Canvas, and I clicked on the math course. So that's what you are currently in right now if you are watching this video. So let's scroll down and look at our weekly learning plan. And for Friday, you can see that we do have an optional Salsa Friday Zoom meeting with Miss Molinos at 11:30. Use meeting ID number 817-750-567. And I had sent out an email to all your parents that we want to, sometime during that Zoom meeting, we want to surprise Miss Molinos for her birthday. Her birthday is actually on Sunday, March 29th, but we won't be able to see her on that day. So we thought that we could try to celebrate and surprise her when we do the Salsa Friday Zoom today at 11:30. So if you can, if you have supplies available, make like little happy birthday signs or something on some paper so that way you can hold it up when we do the Zoom meeting with her. And I bet she'll just be so excited and so surprised. So that's on the schedule for today. And then for math, it really just says to do Dreambox iReady lessons, and then you could do any of these optional games we put in the modules. And then, of course, if you have gotten a little bit behind, or if you have not completed the place value review exit ticket or the place value assignment called Party Guests, then you can catch up on all of that today as well. So if we scroll back up, go ahead and click on modules. And I'm just starting to say that everything in the same module, so that way you don't have to click in a whole bunch of different places. So here is everything that's on the weekly learning plan for this week. So you should have already watched the video, done the exit ticket, done the assignment called Party Guests. So here are some of those optional games that the weekly learning plan was talking about. One of them is in this parent resource guide. So if you click on this, there are a lot of, see up here says place value, there are a lot of place value activities that you could do, and even some links that you can click on to go to different websites. So there's lots of fun stuff in there that you could do. And then you can also click on this, it says more games for place value, and the district had actually gotten all of these links together. So you can click on any of these. I haven't checked all of them, but I believe most of them actually work and will take you to the correct website. So there's lots of games in here too that you can play. So I guess that's really it for today to wrap up this first week of online learning. Got that Zoom meeting at 11:30. Do your Dreambox or iReady, and then you can work on any of those optional games that I showed you in the module, or complete your any of your place value assignments, your review exit ticket, your Party Guests place value assignment, anything that you had not already finished from the week. All right, take care, have a great day and a great weekend.